Australia's anti-money laundering and counter-terrorism financing laws are expanding in 2026, bringing major compliance changes for thousands of businesses. If you're an accountant, lawyer, conveyancer, real estate professional, or virtual asset provider, these reforms may apply to you. The new AML CTF reforms are designed to strengthen Australia's financial system and combat serious organised crime, which costs the country up to $82 billion every year. AUSTRAC enrollments officially opened on 31 March 2026. Here are the key deadlines businesses need to know. 30th of May 2026. Existing reporting entities must update their AUSTRAC enrollment. 1st of July 2026. Newly regulated businesses must be fully enrolled and compliant. And 29 of July 2026. Deadline for virtual asset service providers. To prepare for compliance, businesses should enroll with AUSTRAC, implement an AML CTF program, appoint an AML CTF compliance officer, train staff on money laundering and terrorism financing risks, and ensure procedures are in place to report suspicious matters to AUSTRAC. AUSTRAC has also released a free AML CTF starter kit to help smaller accounting practices implement compliance systems quickly and cost-effectively. These reforms are a major shift in Australia's compliance landscape. Prepare early, stay compliant, and protect your business from regulatory risk. Check your obligations at austrac.gov.au. Regulatory Bulletin, May 2026 edition. Compliance intelligence for Australian professionals.